Welcome back to trail. Today is June 5th, which means it is, I think, day 41, something like that. And as you can see up ahead, looks to be a fire right where the trail is heading. So we're going to see how far we can get safely. If there's any sketchiness, we're going to head back. But the plan is to go about 16 miles today, and that'll be the start of a like 5.5 day trip to Kennedy Meadows. We should get there on Saturday. Today is Monday, and be about 140 miles. Be the gateway to the Sierra, and then we're gonna take a day there at least and figure out what the conditions look like up ahead before we decide what we want to do next. So appreciate you guys coming in and hiking with us today, and we'll see what's going on up here. See you down the trail. So I'm not sure how far up you guys can see on the camera. I know it doesn't like zoom far, but there are more firefighting stuff than we can count on the side of the road, and the trail goes right over where the smoke is. So Maestro and I just talked it through. We're turning back to town, and we're going to come and try this tomorrow, because we could just be walking into a fire and not even be able to see it, and probably isn't going to get cleaned up until tomorrow at the earliest. Do you have signal? We should probably check the news, see if there's anything that's been tweeted about this. But we will check back in when we get back on the trail. All right, attempt 2. We're back on the trail at Highway 58, and as you can see, there is no smoke in the horizon. Fire got put out yesterday, so we are getting back at it, and determined to not turn around this time unless there's something crazy happening. But we are on our way to Kennedy Meadows. We should be there, I guess, Sunday now. We're going to take about 5.5 days to get there. So big food carry, very heavy pack right now, and we will see you up the trail. Here's where the fire from yesterday was burning, right on either side of the trail. At camp for the night, and it's pretty good. Got the old tent set up there, nice flat spot. Maestro's getting his food secured. He's down the hill a little bit, so when I pee in the middle of the night, it'll just sound like rain to him.
It's true. Very soothing sound.
It's always nice. So you guys up the trail?